Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make this very cute and easy pom-pom. Let's get started! The first step to creating our pom-pom is that we're going to cut out a circle with any kind of cardboard, then we're going to cut out a little cylinder in the center. Now we're going to start wrapping the yarn around. As you can see here, I'm wrapping the yarn around. You can do it as many times as you like, but I would recommend doing it a lot of times so it's really fluffy and really thick. This is about the length that I'm happy with, so I'm going to cut off the end. Now I'm going to insert the yarn through my sewing needle and cut off the excess. I'm going to insert my sewing needle through the little cylinder from the side. And do the same thing at the other side. Now I'm going to create a knot with the 2 strings. Make sure you make the knot very, very tight so it doesn't undo. Now I'm going to cut the circle from each side with a pair of scissors and bring each side of the yarn through the little cuts, and I'm going to make another knot at the other side. I would recommend doing 2 or 3 knots to make it extra secure. Now I'm going to remove the cardboard from my yarn. You're going to do this at both sides. Now you're going to get a pair of scissors and cut all the hoops from each side. Now I'm going to do the same thing at the other side. Now we're going to shake it up so the pom-pom form can be made. Now we're going to cut the sides to make everything even. Make sure you cut everything evenly. And we're going to do this all around. Our pom-pom is ready! If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss my new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!